In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Microsoft Power BI Desktop. We'll start right in your web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft Power BI Desktop Download. Look for the official result from Microsoft. It should clearly show it's the Microsoft website. Click that link so you're downloading from the trusted source and getting the latest secure version. On the Microsoft download page, begin by selecting your preferred language. This controls the language for the installer and, in many cases, the app interface. Once you've chosen the language, click the download button to move forward. You'll now be prompted to choose the version that matches your computer. Select either the 64-bit or 32-bit download, depending on what your desktop supports. Most modern computers are 64-bit, so that's the common choice. Pick the one that fits your system, then click Download to begin the file transfer. When the download completes, open your Downloads folder. Locate the installer file you just downloaded and click it to launch the setup. The installer may ask you to confirm the language again. Select the language you want to use during installation so the setup prompts are clear and familiar. Click Next to proceed with the installation. You'll see a few screens guiding you through the process. Click Next again to continue, then review the license agreement. Accept the license agreement to move forward, as the installer won't continue without it. Click Next to confirm, and then click Next again to accept the default options. These defaults are suitable for most users and keep the setup straightforward. On the shortcut options screen, check the box to create a desktop shortcut. This makes it easy to open Power BI Desktop later directly from your desktop. With that selected, click Install to begin the actual installation. This step may take a moment as the files are copied and configured on your system. When the installation wraps up, you'll see an option to launch Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Check the box beside Launch Microsoft Power BI Desktop if you want to open the app immediately. Finally, click Finish to complete the setup. That's it. Power BI Desktop is now installed and ready for you to start building reports and exploring data. If you followed along, you've gone from download to launch in just a few clear steps. Enjoy exploring your data with Power BI, and thanks for watching.